Okay, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Dhamola here. Um, First of all, I would like to say Happy New Week to everyone. This is the first week in the month of August. Yes, this is the first week in the month of August. So I pray this week give us good profit as usual in Jesus' name. So thank you all for this for subscribing to my channel. I think it's just a week. Yes, I just start this let me just call it this journey. So thank you for for subscribing. I really appreciate. So if you feel that the content is valuable, so I would like you to share with your friends. Yes, share with them so they can also subscribe, and we'll keep posting content that are valuable to the society. So without any further ado, I would like to go straight to the point. So I'm here to share my 3 Ps with you for this new week again, and we'll see how it goes. So I last week was good for us, and I think I posted it. I posted our profit, then blah 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 for last week, but last week is gone already. So this is a new week again to start again, to make some money again. So first of all, I would like to say we should start with gold. Yes. So okay, first of all, these are the pairs I think I'll be holding for this week. Don't mind this BTC. Okay, don't mind this Myro ETH. They are crypto pairs I was checking over the weekend. So I would like to start with gold. I would like to start with gold for this week. I think it has been giving a nice price action since last week. So without any further so let's get started. Yes, so this has been good, it has been bullish. This is the daily time frame as usual. I will always start analysis from the daily time frame to know what's going on, and till our entry time frame, which is 15 minutes or 1 hour, anyone. So let me start with gold. So gold has been bullish for a while. Before, yes, gold has been bullish since. Let's start from here. You notice this break of structure here, isn't it? Yes, this is a break of structure. Let's go for that again. This is another one. Yes, it was this tiny break of structure that gave us this high, and since then price has not break this high. Let me reduce the thickness. So price has not break this high so far, isn't it? Yes. So and this was obviously the last break of structure to the upside, and this is the of no of this stuff. This is the other block. Yes, the zone, isn't it? Yes, to the upside. So it moved up. Let me use this. So from here, market tapped in, it moved up but was unable to break this high here. Then it started coming down to give us no, I don't need you again. To give us this market structure shift here. To give us this market structure shift here. I think so. Yes. So from there, we should be expecting like on a normal day, market to come here and keep selling to the downside. But if you can see, market came here, come down, I'm coming drag. Then you can see market reach here, come down, was unable to break this low, then still go back up again. So you can notice that there is a strong resistance here. Yeah, that's how I'll put it. Yes, there's a strong zone here, and this is the low market has failed to break. Gold has failed to break too so far. Do you understand? So I think we'll just base our attention with this current price action. So let's get started. So this is a strong resistance that market has not break. Then If you notice, this is also a strong support too. Market has been coming there, retest, coming there, retest. This is a strong support too. Market has not break, so we'll just read this leg here as the day trader we are. So can we call this a break of structure? No, it's just with weak. This is the proper break of structure here, isn't it? Yes. And the low, this is like the low here. What can we say? Market structure shift now, isn't it? It's obvious. So this is, remember, this is still the daily time frame. I think that was all we can mark there. Okay, this is like the origin that caused it, daily order block. I think that's all. Yes. So let's go to 4 hours time frame. So from the 4 hours time frame, what can we see? It moved to the downside. Then let's continue the reading here. This is a break of structure to the downside. This is a break of structure to the downside. Then market gave us, let me just call it a internal market structure shift or on 4 hours. This is the 4 hours market structure shift to the upside again. I hope we are following. This was the last break of structure before hitting this supply zone. Yes, before hitting this support zone that market has not break for a while, then it's pushing up again to give us a market structure shift, telling us it's time to go up again. Then based on the 4 hours time frame, this is definitely the origin that caused it. I need to be fast. This is my hourly order block. Yes, I think that was all. Then we move to the 1 hour. Let me reduce this one. We got it from the daily time frame. So what can you read from, like, what can we see from the 1 hour? Let me remove this, but I don't think we need it. We just read the internal structure. You have series of break of structure to the downside, even this break of structure to the downside. Yes, and we have this hidden break of structure to the downside too. To the downside to then on this 1 hour, there is also a change of character too. It is internal. All these are internal. Remember, it has given us change of character. It has given us a market structure shift from the 4 hours. So this is just the first one that happened, the first change of character from the 1 hour. If this is the change of character, there should definitely be a zone here that caused the change of character. I can mark all this like this, but let me mark this last candle here. Let me leave it pending because market has passed there already. Then this is another internal break of structure. This zone from 4 hours. If I'm to drag it, this will be the zone here. So this is our internal break of structure. Then I'll remove this. I don't need it anymore. Do we understand? I hope I'm making sense. So I think that's it. Then 15 minutes. Remember our best entry time frame. Let me check. We should notice there's not any clear zone here. Let me just leave it pending. There's no any clear zone there sef. So let's check for this one if it's valid. So this one has been, okay, I would rather say, remember, this is a huge move to the upside. There are still some zone here. Yes, you can see this zone here. You can see this zone here. This good move here. It's also cool. Yes, so this is obviously low for the bullish move. I think this is NFP. Yes, last week NFP. That was first Friday or something. So I think this is it. Yes. Then this zone we mark from the daily time frame I've not even checked about. I'm coming forward. Let me finish this one. So this is, I think this zone is valid like this because it has a fair value gap, then yes, these are all liquidity. Yes, then what again? Thousand. It have a good zone, so I'll just put my buy entry. Remember 1:3. 1:3. I think that was all. So let's go back to 1 hour. So we find a entry, an entry for good for this new week. So the best I can do is I'll just catch this retracement if market should open. It depends on the movement. Remember this zone we have. Yes, this is it. Is I think this is it from the daily time frame. Yes, so this zone is looking valid too, but we'll leave it pending. I think this is good. Oh, sorry. I think this is good for this new week. You can see um the um the entry. This is it here. So I think that's for good. Let me go back to the network. So back to 4 hours time frame. I hope you all understand. Yes, that was all for that. So let's go to EURNZD. AUDCAD. AUDCAD. So as usual, we'll start from the 4 hours time frame. From the 1 day. I'm so sorry. So from the 1 day, what do we notice and what do we see? You don't need past this thing. We'll just focus on the recent one. What can I see? Okay, you can see that there's a strong resistance here too. The market has not break. Network. This is a strong resistance that what market has not break for a while. Then let's read the internal structure. Okay, let's start from this last break of structure to the downside. I don't want this video to be long. Then this is a market structure shift, obviously. Obviously, this is the market structure shift. Then this is a break of structure to the upside. This is a break of structure to the upside. I think that's all from this time frame. Okay, this is the other block that caused this break of structure. But let's leave it like this. Let's go to 4 hours time frame. So from the 4 hours time frame, what can we see? Let's start from here also. This is a sweep. This is a sweep of liquidity. This is a sweep of liquidity. Then internal structure, market structure shift. Let me just remove this one. I do not need it again. Then what can we see? This is our zone here. From the 4 hours. I hope you all understand. So this other block we mark from the daily time frame, we can refine it like this on the 4 hours time frame, like this. I think I'll make a video on how to mark other block, but I think with time, then if you people ask for it in the comment section. So this other block has been mitigated twice because I'm coming. This is the other block here. Market tap on this resistance zone that market from the daily time frame, came back, then still go up again. You grab and come back to that same zone. So let me just turn it to a support like that. It's no more another block that's been used twice. Do you understand? I hope you understand. Remember, this zone is looking valid here. Do you understand? So everything here is looking more like liquidity or something. So our own is to look for a sell to this zone. Remember, there's a strong resistance here. Do you understand? I hope I'm making sense. So let's read this leg, just this leg here for this new week from the 4 hours time. So what can we see? This is obviously the last break of structure. Let me reduce it. I just want to reduce it. Then this is a what? Sorry. This is a market structure shift. Then market chart of this FVG here. But I no like to dey mark am, so I'll just leave it. Then a nice break of structure here, very nice. I think that was the last break of structure before hitting this support level. Is that all? Let us say there is a zone here to sell it off. Yes, our market has tapped on it. So let me reduce it to 4 hour zone. I think let's go to the lower time frame now, 1 hour. I love this price action. So on this 1 hour, there is hidden break of structure here. Then what can I see? Definitely a change of character. You can be bothered or asking why something like this. I supposed to call it market structure shift. Yes, I prefer calling 4 hours and one day. Yes, the daily time frame and the 4 hours time frame. If there is a change of character there, I would like to call it a market structure shift, because any market structure shift from 4 hours on time frame is definitely changing the structure of the market. It might be bullish then. If a market structure shift to occur, it will change it to a bearish, like for a long time before. But on lower time frame like 1 hour, if a market structure shift to occur like this, it's more like a retracement for me, because the 4 hours time frame is the main trend. Then all these are just like a sub trend inside the main trend. So I would rather call it a change of character, just for a little while. It doesn't take long. Then that's why I used to call this one a change of character. And after the change of character, we have, oh, this has not be a breeze, just more like a sweep. Okay, this is the other block that caused this change of character. You can see that what now happen, it tap on it, move up, but unable to give us a new break of structure. It's just a sweep, just sweep some people that might be selling, then come down and still come back to that zone again. So I'll just extend the zone. The zone is like really good. I'll call it support like that. Then let's check this zone very well. Okay, this zone now, 1 hour, it has not been mitigated. If you should look at it very well, this is the zone here. This is looking like liquidity for me, so it has not been mitigated on one day. I think, do you understand? This is looking good. Do you understand? I hope I'm making sense. It's looking something good. So what can I say again from this daily time frame? There's no a break of structure. If there's a break of structure, we will have marked all this any zone that is here, but it's not yet clear. So I will go to 15 minutes like that. So from this 15 minutes, let us read the internal structure. This is a break of structure, isn't it? The last one. You cannot call this a market structure because it is a week. So this one, this is a break. The market structure in the change of character, I mean. Then let's check the 15 minute zone. See, isn't it valid? Although there's a zone here too. I'm just seeing it sef. This one. But nevertheless, let me remove it. I will just, yes, I think this is cool. We can just put our stop loss here. Yes, this is cool. Or better still, you okay, this is what I'm expecting. Or better still, if market gets here, I'll wait for a small lower time frame market structure shift, also known as change of character, then I'll enter on a confirmation entry. But I feel this is cool. Remember, there's still a buy zone here, so we are selling to buy from the look of things. But you can enter on a confirmation entry here just for you to be more more what, just for you to be more accurate, more confirmation. I think that was all for AUDCAD. So there's also an entry for us for the new week. I think that's that. That's that. So let's move to this one. EURNZD. 23 minutes. Let's start from the daily time frame as usual. Oh, this one looks good. So it has been bullish also for a while. Then what can I see? Let's focus on this. Let's focus on this leg. So this is a break. This is also market swept. Okay, but it's looking like it is a break of structure. Remember, a break of structure must close with a body, like a body of a candle, something like this. All these ones here are just weak, but something like this is a break of structure. So that's what I'm looking for. I think that's all these are just sweep of liquidity. Then let's go down to, there's nothing. I don't know how to, let me just mark it. I don't know how to mark here since there's price is still far from it, but let's still mark it. So let's go to 4 hours time frame. I need 4 hours time. Let me leave this. So this break of structure looks bent. Okay, consider market tryout of a zone here. I think this is the zone. Yes, then give us another break of structure. All those week on one day, it is a break of structure here. You can see it is a break of structure here. Then there's another one here. Let's mark it. Keep marking all what you can see to avoid some mistake that can cost us money. So obviously this is a change of character abi or market structure shift, anyone. Everything is just what I think everything is English. So after this market structure shift, it looks as if we change character to the downside. It's obvious. Then the zone that caused this one, okay, you can see this is the zone. You can see this is the zone to the downside, but don't panic yet. Break of structure, abi. So it's now like this one suppose come hold this one to sell, but market don penetrate. You should not panic. It means that there's still probably some hidden zone here, because I feel because of those week that from this daily time frame, all the week, all these tiny weeks, all these long I say tiny long week, I feel they are more like hidden zone. Can even say it look like there is a zone there on a lower time frame that market is coming to meet, and this is a sweep of liquidity, but it is a break of structure on 4 hours time frame. Nevertheless, make I no confuse una, ma sha go 4 hours time frame. I think we've marked everything. Then do I again 1 hour next. Okay, let's check now. I can I said it. So this zone is looking more like liquidity zone. This is the valid order block here, like I said. So I think this one market dey come look for. So e dey try all those induce all those early sellers, people that sold from here. Market go don comot dem. Do you understand? You can see the fair value gap, those huge candle, those are the kind of candle you should be looking out for in the market. So all this one like this na liquidity. I think is perfect like this. Yes, it's perfect like this. I hope I'm making sense. You can see it, see the okay, but this is one day. Let's go to 30 minutes to finalize everything. You can see. Let us leave it here. After all, this is like the last break of structure here. This one here on 15 minutes. Then this is the change of character here. This is the change of character here. So this is more like, let's leave it here to avoid um what should I call it, to avoid mis-entry. Yes, because that one too is also painful. So let's use the 1 day order block. So I think we can also put our pending order here too. Yes, and we are cool for the new week. This is a sell, 1:3, but 1:3, please, 1:3 or 1:3. No be our papa get market o. So I think that's cool, and that's 1:3, and we are what? We are out. So I think all the three gold, euro, NZD, AUD card, I think they all have entry. Yes, AUD card. A sell to buy, gold is what? A buy. A buy to sell, or a buy for now. Remember, a market will open, there might be some retracement, there might be some retracement. So we can also catch that one if you know how to read it. And retracement is um killing. It can come down small then still go up then. So we need to be careful sha. So I think that's all for this week. These are the three pairs I would like to share with you guys in in order for this video not to be too long. So if you want us to keep analyzing more, you can tell me in the comment section. So that will be all for this week. Thank you guys, and we'll see weekend. Yes, weekend. Have a wonderful week.